Yema watching Emma Wakwaba, Ediba DJ TV, Casafoni Eso. Wamunim Modisheba Pepe, Nana ya Enkoswahima. Senior DJ TV, Yede bed damo say, COVID-19 amana homeso, and 18 or more monimdi. Womo ke womo mpenimfo a wombetimi ahye yeseme anyoma sifa eko afei susu no ye economy ne honkeka no ye di abedwafo beba dwumadi so no ma kyerɛkyerɛ ye sene anyoma si efa ekoso ewo moamu ene ntine ende dwumadi no ye nya ye owura David Yaud mode ono ye economics na afei so no osaye data scientist. Into ono ene yenya no me pa kyerɛ oye economist and then is data scientist a yenya na ye ne eba betwetwe nkomo ewo dwumadie yi so ene nti no moma yema na kwaba yema wakwaba Ediba DJ TV so
good that's it
wa po mo e
boko naso
e onyankopo adomo yen hye yen komo twetwe na say eye COVID-19 aba o mai modern o waka found
COVID-19 yaria abetuye ye die boboyi free momo wa free corona na coronavirus started from China Wuhan na ye hwetenti o man pin be ye nuyehiama ebetumi a protect ye hu no na begin na business e bia over close country no but yantimi close country no on time. And I recorded first 2 cases, one from Norway and one from one company in Obuasi. And Norway, and only delegation of my Pinyagasa to Quine Quabro, Bano, and only on mobile and Omudi Yarin. And partly, no, I buy Anamo or 2 and Koi in China, Yarin at Miabagana. They said, I baby.
Yeah, and when America say a baby, say you been forecasting, be say near a morning, baby, money, dear, could no mama, and so on, and yakan now, so young bon by. See a corona aba, and near Babetsna, and near Betsna, queen him capa. Mama quiet economist, so I'm kita data, more showing you memono. A depends on so and economy no. Ebenya ebra COVID-19 aba me part to the impact and the consequence of COVID-19 ewo man.
Ghana per se no your economy no dependent economy and as a import based economy. So the economy dependent. So economy no entity survive without others.
Okay.
To share China. You see the new industrial revolution, China is the leader when it comes to productivity. And most of our capital goods are here craft and on the benefit China neighbor. And even some of our consumables. Normally we buy craft China. You see that you are blocking border.
Yes,
China find in baby. And the economy, productivity be cut down. Consumption be cut down. Consumption be cut down in the sense purchasing power in terms of individual household disposable income no. A better form. You understand? Ana usa hwe so a say consumption be back from Montino supply side in terms of productivity no and this is be back from so in all no aggregate demand in terms of macroeconomic development measured by GDP a bit triple down. Okay. You understand? Now, because there will be shortage of production in the economy, prices of the small goods are more marketing. Now, ni boss who cost as well. Nebe haji pani eduane bo. Menken bro tomato body ni na si for mu bo be kosro.
Chese no na eba be ha Ghana for.
And no be ha Ghana for. Yes. Another thing is also about the stock market. Okay. The price of shares, in the market never dropping. And right now Ghana is expected to lose about $5 billion out of this COVID-19. Even you look at America, they are accounting for about, let's say, $1.5 trillion. You understand? Yeah. Now, we hear about 36 million people have lost jobs in America. Yeah. So in Ghana, as we speak now, hospitality industry, hotels, they have laid off about 8,000 people. Yeah. Last week we heard of the trade fair. Yeah. They've also laid off people. Yeah. multimedia, they've laid off people. So stock price, in terms of and that is the base of production.
Okay.
If your stock price is coming down, it means what that means is that companies will not get the adequate liquidity to undertake production. And at the end of the day, GDP, in terms of expansion the economy, everything will go down.
Okay. Into year can is also an interest say a more economist. A dear na more and carbine, a bay in Nimia, Abua, Ama, yes, semi economy no 8 me at one kind.
A buying, particularly government of Ghana, Yanyaska Bebre. In this COVID-19, if there is any West African country, what Yanyaska and Ghana?
I didn't know Gaza.
Sure. World Health Organization can send Yenko some $35 million from World Bank. Yeah, 2.6 million.
Okay.
Yeah, go so near Kanu. Abayan SA announces some $1 million from the president's own mouth. We are in free Bank of Ghana SA printed some 5 billion Ghana cedis. Just yesterday, they said they're going to give another 10 billion.
Okay.
And Yasako IMF for G somewhere 6 billion Ghana cedis, about $1 billion.
Yeah.
And also this very year, February this year, Ghana government raised 3 billion euro from Eurobond.
Okay.
So we have money. Ghana has the money. The problem now is how to manage the money to fix the problem. What's up buying 600 million more and medium scale enterprises, you know. Eswa. The private sector is about 80% SMEs. What you imagine? Anna, SMEs account for about 70% of Ghana's GDP. And the multinational companies take the rest. The 30% is not for us. So we should be caring for the 70% that belongs to our local micro, small, and medium scale enterprises. Particularly the micro. Micro, no register.
What do you think the government to do to respond to what you people are saying?
The micro, small scale and medium enterprises, you know. I will say or set up committee, or they can even use the NBSSI to go through all the district assemblies, not more quality data on the number of micro businesses that we have in the country. Then, as they are going around, they should give them automatic what? TIN card. You understand? Now I'm register with the various rural banks, and then at least they should have Momo. Then you get a common platform for them. You understand? An app so that they can actually register if you cannot go to the villages and get them.
So
you understand? So when you bring them on board, when you are able to collect the data, then you look at the size of their business, micro business. We look at number of who are working employee. And their capital size. And near the micro business, and you should bet 20,000 Ghana cedis a year. Oh, nobody be saying, okay, because of COVID-19, man say 10,000, I say 5,000. No one fast support you. You see, these things should have been done before COVID-19. Okay. Because I'm referring one. You got business development. You started with micro. Now you call small. Now you call medium, now you call large corporation, now you call multinational. Okay. And the developed world, they migrated from the small scale all the way to the multinationals. But in the case of Africa and Ghana, you get small scale to suffer. Now COVID-19 has come, give them money to survive, you are going to give them just 600 million. That is mega, that is not big amount for them. They need something about 1.2 billion Ghana cedis.
Sisi aban so this kaneba oba be mo almost $600 million no e wo omo amomo dia ye adwuma na omo a ye maame no omo so nko school. You were talking about data omo nya baby platform e bi bebre na nko school nti san kofu ye ne sade ade na bi mo be because bebre na ntimi nya access to those things. Nti be ma adwuma na aban ye na na say the we omo so mo ya de no ntimi
and no nchi na me see BSSI, let me call various districts. You work in collaboration with the district assembly to collect the data for them, so that those who have the Android phone, they can access the platform.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay, thank you. Into your next question is a post COVID-19, Ghana and then China confrontation
in terms of trade.
In terms of trade.
Well, like I said earlier on, China is at the hub of manufacturing, and China is leading in every angle of manufacturing. So Ghana cannot do without China after COVID-19. But not only Ghana, the African continent, I mean the countries in the continent, must come together to look at, a common platform that they can trade, so that some of the things we can produce them in Ghana and Africa. We don't have to wait for China to give us this and this. Ghana, after COVID-19, signal so deep like that.
Okay.
But after some 2-3 years, we will begin to feel it. But the danger of it is that COVID-19 follow geometric progression, and that's an auto-regressive model. Mami chiro mu. Nyebe si echina no, depending on today.
Yeah.
What imagine?
Yeah.
And in there's a 1,000 numbers are echina. Possibility of 2,000 very high. You understand? And like Kafla Joe and Sisu, Edia mi wana sewa. Ebe free hakona. Na also wanya.
Yeah.
Uko potatu biso ana onzo asanya.
Yeah.
Sana enti yare no. It's very complicated, regime in terms of analyzing the economy. But what I do know is that as an economy where I sit right now, there will be a drastic shift in the
as
demand
curve. Then ebesi. As a o say ko bi mu.
Niebe sin say aduane bo be kosuro.
Okay.
Stock price ebe drop. Interest rate ebe kosuro. Omo a ompe ebusiade ya adwuma no ebe di ama omo. Ebe ka se aban be print sika na ye di ama SMEs and say other actors in the economy to do their businesses. Okay. Na printing no aban print here enu so ohun saso ediba. Ana unemployment.
Okay.
Adwuma
Ye beba ho. Nti yenhwe COVID-19 any the bread nation so be bread ye frango which our oil price stocks e dey so na be bread ye.
Say oil price a drop. A drop is so significantly than it has never happened on air before.
It has never happened because of COVID now.
Because of COVID-19. And see, I was saying oil transportation fee at me back down. Or say fare at me back down. Now, another thing is taxes. Taxes on oil products. You see, your economy in one. You're basing our economy on oil so much that without oil we cannot do anything. You're basing your economy so much on cocoa, so much that without cocoa we cannot do anything. You're basing your economy on so much on gold, to the extent that without gold we cannot do anything. So immediately commodity price then our whole economy not as for hunger is inevitable. So after COVID-19, the government will have a divided attention as to either provide the needed health materials and equipment to address the health issues, and then in another way to look for money to boost the economy. Now, in boosting the economy, over the years, we have depended on the foreign aid. Every year, on the average, Ghana gets grant about $3 billion. So the whole of the budget, free money. And it's a scanning where would the government get the money from? The government will go and print. So I buy eco print here, inflation. ebe possible.
Now who can be? Who can say a combeba? A combeba planting for food and job. One district, one factory. You must be brave. It's a bed then a comnaba. Say no the encaye.
I want me person who fret Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and President Adodan Akufo-Addo. Nebisa almost ending factories now. Almost almost 50 factories almost machine just one factory almost 30 in the last 3.5 years. Almost in these 3.5 years. Some factories no more order planting for food and job. Planting for food and job. COVID-19 about World Health Organization said, "O man penye kagana for nyina to them. Would you to them one? Would you want to them one? Mahmoud Biani. After you 3 weeks now what's that? BA sent young Korean pay Biani.
Was say BA say Uncle Pidiani. Yangina no son kaji abwa from cross, your baby to only other form, my uncle abwa from cross on bra. Yaba, economist no that's what you better also apple. Near courage any Edison to my uncle Ember. Emma mo akwaba biom se mo twan ye ma ye kwaje ya boa fon craft so e ba ye nto ye nkomo twetwe no so se na medi kan ka hwem ye nya eye owura David ya modi owura modi wono ye economist na afen so oye data scientist ye nya na ye ne e twetwe nkomo e wo ha se nti ye nko ekwato ye nkomo twetwe no so owura David na wo kasaba enam brani nti no ye nhwe se COVID-19 any viasia fanana me global world crisis ben and during this COVID-19.
What we must know is that crisis in the Anyasi. As soon as as soon as I discovered that the BB to say COVID-19 I stop the movement of flight from China, Eco USA, movement of flight from USA to Italy to Ghana. So far as those things are stop, like I said, the global economy, there will be issues. There will be stock market crashes. You understand? And then there will be general unemployment. And then money in terms of liquidity to undertake government fiscal responsibilities. The money will not be there. Like just last 2 months, the president of Rwanda, Paul Kagame, or see, a Bayan Africa countries in printing and Yesika. And the amount for Ghana, almost at your printing. So $10 billion and one house here. I'm saying they are almost printing.
When you're content.
Because the woman said, no, earlier on, what already bond? 5 billion. Now we have also the government bonds are risk free. But at this moment, wouldn't the share government bond more? You will regret it.
I think I'm very regretting.
One, we are in the election year.
Okay.
You remember, sir, NDC Baby Fair by 2016, contractors on Maya Mama buying in 2017 up to now, So don't go, don't just worry yourself. Now, Uko China, Uko EU, Omo allocated by 220 billion euros. Uko United Kingdom, Omo allocated by 330 billion pounds, just to make sure that to revive the economy alongside the fight against COVID-19. So, alongside the health crisis, there will be a global economic crisis. It will take about 5 to 10 years to recover.
Wow. Because
as we speak now, China, normal 1 year for the last 3 months or last 4 months, from 2019 up to now, let's take it like that. Normal, factories, they haven't crossed the borders yet. Ghana's border is closed. The rest of the 53 African countries, like 54 plus Morocco, their borders are closed. Congo has the greatest natural resources on earth. Congo's border is closed. China cannot get cobalt to manufacture Android phone. You understand? You go to America, the border is closed. What is of the world economy if the American border is closed?
Okay.
You understand?
So if there will be an economic crisis, the whole world.
The whole world will suffer. Unemployment, rising inflation.
What should we do to tackle all these things?
In the meantime, particularly, let's be concerned about Africa. Particularly, I was say Africa. Let me go back to the drawing table. In someone paying for Akatuo. Mwalimu Julius Nyerere Kabarage. Or see, if Africa must unite, the unity must be done now. Nkrumah said Africa must unite or we perish. So this is the time to tell Africans, say, if today you are closing your borders, and which they say, we are my penina, so we are here, we be wakaha, unko broche, unko G, I Wow. And I was say Africa, continental trade agreement on one sign and say, also we implementing. You understand? Now you me policy basic things. I have switch in my room, but I came here in African cloth. You understand? They have manufactured their nose masks with their European cloths. Let's use our local fabric, which can even protect the flow of the flu than even theirs. You understand? So let's use ours. Let's produce our water. Let's produce our pen. Let's produce our books. We can do it. Okay. Yeah, added value. Yeah, added value. So post COVID-19, Africa countries also want to come together. Like Madagascar, Omanya Adro Neyajuma. But WHO and the other European organizations say, Mamunji Adronum. This is only the best scientific lab. But I bet you, somebody just 1 liter of that medicine, they call WHO, they will contaminate it, duplicate it, and send it back to Madagascar and condemn the drug because why? It is coming from Africa.
Okay, yeah.
We must begin to love ourselves.
Okay, say Africa, Brian, Memo. Again, I wish say Ghana as a nation, Again, a bit me boosty your health care. Security, our business, send a bit me maintaining your jobs, your markets, and then the economy, again as a nation, Ghana, penny 48 me.
First of all, I say I buy at me my true data. I am a data analyst. We have done so many work when it comes to statistics, and who share data, who my data and there. A China also update data no. The next day also with me update it because every day there are one coronavirus case. What must say? Fine. So what mean my 24-hour intervals update? My 5 days update and also 1 week update. But enche uma and there 3 days time as my uma 3 days 7 days time 2 weeks time. Like the interval between the one we had yesterday and the other ones, the breaks were just too much. And we the scientists, data scientists, we cannot predict. Right now, I can take the American data on COVID-19 from day one and predict how the data will be in the next 3 months. But Ghana, you cannot do that because we don't have data. So one problem that must be fixed by the Ghana government is to work on how they report the data. Also, we hear data no come my mind. Say na be a bit me predict because what me predicting data now? We bet me predicting government expenditure. You understand? Because the data is rising, expenditure is rising. But if you don't know the data, how can you plan? African government must begin to look at data. It's one thing that we have failed to look at. We just like the businesses. They do their business without going to the market, conduct survey, and run the data and see the taste for this product. We are sorry, me got a business. 4 people say, no, they are a business. Now, 3 months time, now, boka. They are buying also what no man. Secondly, I was say, I buy at me who Ghana for momo. Government also almost unlock it down country, no. Unlock it down country, no. Not on feed here. No, this is an economy that we have been told that for the past 24 years has been growing at more than 4%. For the past 5 years, 6% on the average. For the past 3 years under this government, 7%. That economy, also that economy is here. Who got Togo? Their average GDP growth for the past 5 years is not up to 5%. But they are feeding them free. Rwanda, they are feeding them. Guinea, they are feeding them. But Ghana, why? We have the money. The money is there.
So they should
You know why? The politicians, on them say election is in 6 months. And see, what you just carry the fight COVID-19 there, election will be loose. And to what is scanning, but once the European Union, I'm revealing this to your channel. European Union has blacklisted Ghana just last week as part of the money laundering countries. Yeah. You know why? That 1 billion that is coming, government should have used the 1 billion to feed us. But government is keeping the 1 billion for campaign. The campaign for what? They will go to the European market and buy Android phone, laptop, flat screens, items. They come and distribute to party food soldiers to go and then galvanize vote for them. So they have blacklisted us. And annually, for the past 3 years, every year Ghana loses about 9.6 billion Ghana cedis through corruption. Scan wine, it's supposed to pass through our system, but M passes through our system. If they pass through our system, the Auditor General will get it. So they will take it to the European market. So they have blacklisted Ghana for the first time in history.
Okay, se sanyomo na e kwaso de be ha adwen pa sisi amo economists no nsem amo ka mo brofo a sisi amo ka ne say act fast, do whatsoever to fight the COVID-19 inti mo economists for na mo ka so inti sisi a dem potin pa na mo psa ban beye advice to the president, to the vice president, to the whole ministries, look into the camera and then advise them for me.
Yeah, can you work and say I was all my pain was empty. Yari a life and death. And say who deal with the situation a life and death. I was also finding quite dear Efanya Juma. On finding quite dear Efanya Juma. Data, no my correct data. That is 1. 2. Ghana for a come a di Ghana for. One per a choir or be fasu or be Ghana for Biani among Modi. So I want me in at least something to survive. 3. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Politicization of COVID-19 is very dangerous. Unstoppable.
Is he the only person doing that?
Now, you see, if you're a leader, I am not a leader. My say, now who are we a leader? Who's what about the same thing? Who knows what to me for? Me what? And this CPP, NDC for a year campaign. Who knows what to say? Oh, Nemu ye enye. And next time, you say, now but who come back if you when you see, say, who
was to say, say, I no, yes, sir. The opposition parties, somebody like the PPP, NDC, or more Moki Kahuni Nano, Yabiane Ba, a name NDC ni MPP anyway, a Becca in 90s, Sabine, ya crampona. Mo amu eche nka musumo wetimi aye papa na mo atwe aban na adwen esiso ba musumo de mo ho akɔhye mo na mo ni na mo ya ye otwen ya do afrim omo ni na duka akutudan
pin wo fina se nkora wi na nka na se won ke bia na ka ho fo so ka ho bi but nye wo mu ni se pin yu de o de pin won na bet me aye papa ama ye na ya follow and we are expecting responsibility from the government, you understand. And finally, scanner umdiama SMEs, there will be accountability one day until omu use scanning. Send be ya omo omu nie bi no omenye bi na omu dia.
Yeah, that's great. And onua dofo yes e kwan no wasansan kra e san e bewie wan kasa wo boboa no eni nti no eye ndedwumedi ya ye de hihye so no ye ne eye Owura David yawo Monday na etwetwe nkomo no na oye economist esa ye data scientist ono enya no dwumedi so enda ye no etwetwe nkomo e for Ghana COVID-19 eni ye economy ye sikasem ho enye ye nko a Africa and afiwiase afọ na ni na ye ni na ye tini okan no ti be sran penimfo se san ese de ampenimfo mu Kenya mo ho na mo hwese mo ba bibiada na Ghana so etimi afa ne ntuma pa efra eni nti no ye be sra se to so akosoa for hand sanitizer no fefa wonsa ho ronsa wonsuo ano eni seminar wo nose mask no so fa bi kata wa no na afi so di duane a ebe boost your immune system se ne be ya se corona ne crampo no wenya bia betimi ako etia no nti ha na ye de adwumadi ani na besi eye me production crew no ye da wo mu ni na se esama wo so wo ni pakro anasa wo a wo tena ase ehwe ye etie nsem a ehwe ne ye koso ni na ye se ye da wase mu ni dwuma eye mo somfo nana ya enkoso